Hello everyone. আজি পুনৰ কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট MCQs ডিসকাস কৰিম যোনটো আহিবলগা এক্সামৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় সো পলম নকৰি ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰো আহক আজি ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে হু drew the emblems of Assam Sahitya Sabha ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব যুগল দাস নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে who wrote the award winning novel আশীৰ্বাদৰ ৰং ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো হ'ব অৰুণ শৰ্মা Question number 3 to হৈছে How many Onkiya Nats were written by Srimanta Shankardev? Your answer to hobo 6. Question number 4 to হৈছে By which name Anandiram Das became popular? Your answer to hobo Bonkwar. Question number 5 to হৈছে Who won Sahitya Academy Award for his collection of short stories Shrinkhal? Your correct answer to hobo Dr. Bhabendranath Hoikia. Next question to হৈছে Who was the writer of the poetry collection Murje Kiman Hepa? Your answer to hobo Keshop Mohanto. Question number 7 to হৈছে Who is known as the Queen of Gwalpuriya Lokagit or Gwalpuriya folk song? Your answer to hobo Pratima Pandey. Ebara question to হৈছে Who was the first female artist of Assamese film who played the role of Joymoti? Your correct answer to hobo Aideo Hondikoi. Question number 9 to হৈছে Who is known as Bidrohi Kobi or revolutionary poet in Assamese language? Your correct answer to hobo Prasannalal Chaudhary. Next question to হৈছে Which famous incident is known as Monikanson Hongyog? Your answer to hobo Meeting of Shankardev and Madhavdev. Question number 11 to হৈছে After parents' death, who raised Shankardev? Your answer to hobo Kherkhuti. Question number 12 to হৈছে Which famous writer wrote Bhuk Jara? Your correct answer to hobo Foni Sharma. ইয়াৰ পিছৰ question to হৈছে What national award Dr. Bhupen Hazarika won through Sameli Memsap? Your correct answer to hobo Best Music Director. Question number 14 to হৈছে Jur Pukhuri is a part of which historic temple? Your correct answer to hobo Ugrotara. আজিৰ শেষৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Where is the earthen light lighted by Madhavdev is still found? Your answer to hobo Dhekiakhwa Namghor. আজিলৈ ইমানে Thank you for watching my video. আৰু যদি মোৰ ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল লাগিছে মোৰ চেনেলটো লাইক, শেয়াৰ এণ্ড সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব. Thank you.